Good day mga kalapatids. So another day and another pigeon. So before I talked about the new pigeons we picked up yesterday to add to our loft, gusto ko muna i-share yung experience namin during our company's outreach program at MARO. So MARO or Mayari Animal Rescue Organization. So MARO is a rescue group dedicated to saving abandoned, neglected, and abused animals, lalo na ang mga dogs and cats. They provide shelter, rehabilitation, and a second chance para sa mga fur babies na nangangailangan. So right now, they are taking care of almost 50 rescued dogs and cats, giving them a safe place to heal habang naghihintay ng forever home. During a visit, we'll listen to the history of Maru, kung paano sila nagsimula from small rescues hanggang sa naging mas malaking organization because of their passion and love for animals. Nakakatuwang makita how committed they are sa misyon nila. We even met a volunteer from Japan na tumutulong mag-trim ng nails ng mga aso at magdala ng supplies para sa kanila. Sobrang inspiring talaga. We also got to experience walking the dogs outside. Nakakatuwang makita how excited and happy sila. Talagang ramdam mo yung saya nila habang naglalakad. May mga bumibisita rin sa Maru to meet the dogs and bring some supplies. And it's really heartwarming to see people supporting the rescue animals. So it was nice to see so many dogs and cats being cared for, knowing that they were given a second chance in life. And also, if you want to help or visit Maru, Maru is located in Guadalupe, Cebu. You can also donate supplies to support them in any way. Every little help means a lot to these rescued animals. You can also message them directly if you want to help. Here's their page, and every little help makes a big difference for these rescues.
Partner, pick up na. Finishing on ninyo. Uy, ilo sa tabi. Harabi. Introduce yourself. So, Blackie? Blackie ka? No, ito, tiger. Ano ko? Wala na po.
So after ng outreach, gutom na talaga tayo. Kaya dumiretso muna kami sa hand pork, unlimited samgupsal. So ito yung mga side dishes nila. And nothing beats good food after a meaningful morning. Unlimited meat, side dishes, and of course, good company. So sarap ng samgyup lalo na after a long and fulfilling day helping sa Maro. Matagal talaga maluto yung samgyupsal. So kaya habang naghihintay, tinira ko na lang muna yung iba't ibang klase ng side dishes nila. Okay, so sobrang sulit kasi ang dami nilang option. So may flavored chicken pa sila ng parang 3 flavors ata. And iba-iba rin yung style ng pagluto ng pork. Eto yung mga pork cuts nila. Hindi ko na rin nakuha exact name ng bawat isa. Pero Korean style talaga yung pagkamarinate at pagkaluto. And while waiting na maluto yung meat, tinira ko muna lahat ng side dishes. Pero ang pinaka-tumatak sa akin, yung sinigang. Okay? Sarap na sarap ako. Kulang na lang sabihan ako ni ate na yung sinigang na lang bayaran nyo, wag na yung Andy Samgyup panahon. Okay? So, kasi naman, Andy sinigang tapos favorite ko pa. Imagine, nasa Korean restaurant ka pero halos sinigang lang ang inuulam mo. Basta ako, solved na. And after nito, may pinadeliver kaming cage and a pair of sitter. So again, we really need to add a new sitter kasi may 3 bidders na papaitlogin natin soon. Exciting times kasi tumataas na yung bilang ng mga pigeons natin at kailangan natin i-prepare ang Loft for the next batch. Okay? So, yep, ito yung racing pigeon na sitter natin, mga sitters natin. So, hopefully, successful ang mga eggs natin soon. Okay? So, yes, yan lang muna mga kalapatids. Okay, so again, another day, another pigeon. Ingat lang palagi until the next video. Okay, so maraming salamat and yep, happy Monday.